Went to Harbor Freight looking to buy a couple things the other day. They didn't have what I wanted, so decided to pick up a couple welding carts because, you know, it's just too much goodness in Harbor Freight to walk out the door without picking up some of it. So, but welding before was always in a fixed location, and so I never needed a cart. I just took what I was welding to the welder. But working on these cars now, obviously we're going to be dragging welders around, so just had them on my red carts, so time for them to get some carts of their own. Got Nate putting them together here. I wore out my grinder, so grabbed a couple new ones, just cheap ones off of Amazon, Avid Power. They came with pretty good assortment of flap disc and some grinding and cut-off wheels. It came with extra brushes also, so maybe we can use those to save that old grinder that I wore out. We'll see. Got them in two different colors, so keep cutting wheel on one and flap disc on the other. So save time changing back and forth. Plus that'll give me an extra for when I burn out the next one, because I do tend to wear them out because I buy cheap ones. And ordered a Vevor dent puller from Amazon. We got quite a few things to pull out between all the vehicles we got around here. So I figured it'd be a handy little toy to have. And that was another primary reason I got the welding carts, because that sucker's heavy. And so we definitely want a cart to roll it around on. So we'll open it up and see what it looks like. Shipping weight was over 50 pounds, so yeah, that's quite a bit to it. Yeah, one of the complaints that I saw on the comment that it didn't have a long enough cord on the welding portion, and I was kind of hoping that maybe they had fixed that, but you see it could use another couple of feet. I mean, it'll be okay. We'll work with it, but it just would be handy to have a little more room there to work with. I'll have links down below. Well, the instructions definitely leave a lot to be desired. They are translated from something other than English and not translated well at all, but it is a fairly simple machine to use, so there's enough there to be able to figure it out. Nate got the first cart done, so now we can give this thing a home. Not so sure how well that showed up on camera, but it's pretty effective. Not bad, especially for the first time using it. I'm sure I'll get more proficient as I go. I was a little worried, to be honest, when I first was trying to hook it up to some scratch stuff or some strap pieces, but yeah, not bad. just cheap little Harbor Freight carts, but they do the trick. Probably get a couple more of them, one for the other welder and then one for the plasma cutter.